My name is Arthur und ich arbeite in Dresden. I have no idea why I'm here in the boat at this moment.
I'm doing as the robotic software programmer or developer. I'm doing the robot for the industrial automation. Usually it's used for the manufacturing assembling. I'm interested about the robots. I think after I graduated high school, that's the reason I go to the university with a major of the automation engineering. So the robot I'm doing, I'm working with the used for the manufacturing, and another kind of word, it make a whole the production process optimized, and more exactly it will be instead of the human labor. For me at this company, I'm developed interface. Used for communicate between the companies, the solution or company system, Wandelbot system to the third-party robot.
Would you rather be a robot or an animal?
I would rather be an animal if they have choice. I think no one wants to be robot because robots without spirit. Animal, they have spirit.
Can't you teach a robot to have a spirit?
In the future, maybe, not me. This big task is applied on your generation. Yes, I like zoo very much. A lot of the animals, I never said it before. It's a good experience for me. Oh, it's my first time to see flamingo. My favorite animal is sloth. It's my first time to see real sloth. I want to be koala bear because he looks very relaxed and have a lot of sleep. But I don't think that's sleep. I think they are meditating all the time. Okay.
What's your favorite food from Germany?
Let me organize. First thing, schnitzel. Second thing, German breakfast. Third thing is smashed potato.
Ah, nice.
What do I most like in China? I think so far is my wife.
What do your friends and family think about your trip to Germany?
I think it's very complex. At the same time, I think my family supports my decision. Another side, of course, we are separate. So separate temporarily, but honestly, we can deal with that. Home is home can be anywhere. The more important thing is your most loved person be with you. For me, where is home for me? It's where is my family? Where is my home?